Hey friends, Denise here. I want to tell you about these great loppers from Yayad. I'm so thankful they sent them to me. I have a smaller set from them that I really like, and so I was very excited that for them to send me this bigger one. One of the things I like about their gear is they always have this plastic protection over the blade, and I think that's really cool. It's going to really help when I go to store it. Another thing is that for these loppers, you'll notice the handles are different sizes. That's because, there we go. And when I first got it, I didn't really know how to do it, and I thought I had to pop this handle, but it's not even that hard. Look, it's more simple than that. You just push it down. Just push the button down, and they'll... So I'm excited to be able to use these to trim my hedges without having to lean into them or stand in them or get a ladder and be precarious. So I'm just going to be able to do this and take care of these hedges. I actually think this is a smaller job than what these are designed for. So let's turn this around and check out what it can do on the tree. I'm a 58-year-old grandma. These are very lightweight but very sturdy. Now all I have to do when I'm done is just push the legs up, and it's much easier to store because it's much smaller. If you found this video helpful, click that thumbs up below and follow my shop for more great Amazon finds. Thanks for watching.